This Key Realty LLC property video is presented by Deborah Schwartz. Vacation at home in this nice home on over 6 acres. There is an split floor plan with 2 living areas. 2 of the bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath, so each of the 4 bedrooms has a bath. The master suite has an office that could be a huge closet. You will love the back porch overlooking the stocked pond. Conveniently located in South Grant Parish. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Schwartz at 318-442-3300.